Communication for School Leaders, Week 3. This week, we are going to be working on communication with the external public and the ramifications that perception can have on our success. School communications. Internal communication has become extremely important to school boards and administrators as a vital part of their community relations plan. In the past, this plan was looked upon as a public relations plan and not as a means of two-way communication. Now, however, it's extremely important that we consider our communications with the external public. Schools also communicate with external public entities in an organized way to enhance community support. Many schools have ignored this type of communication, but have found that it is emerging as a vital part of their ultimate success. Types of communication. The communication process between schools and the external public should be comprised of both one-way and two-way communication. Just a word about perception. Perceptions concerning the way leaders act and communicate in a crisis often become a measure of success through local and national scrutiny. School administrators need to have a plan and be prepared to respond to a crisis even when the events have no direct relationship to their school system. Next steps. Read through the study resources and activities for information about this week's assignments. Don't forget to participate in this week's discussion. Remember to comment on the posts of at least 2 of your classmates' original posts.